Now we're going to talk about half-lives of radioactivity, which is actually rather important for dating things or even for medical purposes. What a half-life is every time you reach that particular time frame, the amount that you had was divided in half. For instance, if we had iodine 131, let's say it decays every 8 days, which means that every 8 days it's divided in half. So after 8 days, if we started with 20 milligrams, in 8 days we'll have 10. And 8 more days, in 16, we would then have 5. In 8 more days, we would then have 2.5, and so on and so forth. Here's just some examples of some half-lives. The naturally occurring ones are much longer than the ones that aren't naturally occurring. That are medical. The medical ones have a very short... We use the ones with the short half-lives for medical reasons, so that way they're not in the body very long. So for instance, here's our iodine. Here's radon. So if we try to break down one of the half-life calculations, strontium-90 half-life is 38.1. If it contains 36 at the beginning, how many milligrams are at the end? Of 152.4 years. Let's see, 38.1 years, so 38.1, we add another 38.1. This is doing it the hard way, but it kind of gives you more of a visual. So this is 2 half-lives. So we're not there yet. Do it again. $114.4. This is 3 half-lives. Do it again. Oops, sorry. 114.3. And then we get to 152. So this has gone through 4 half-lives. So this is the first half-life. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So that means this 36 milligrams is going to get divided in half 4 times. So 36 divided in half once is 18. So that's 1 half-life. 18 divided in half again is 9. That's 1 half-life. This is 2 half-lives. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. So this is the original. This is after 1 half-life, 2 half-lives, 3 half-lives. We're trying to get to 4. 2. 0.75. So you'll have 2.75 milligrams by the time you're done, because it got divided in half 4 times. Here's another example. Iodine 123 has a half-life of 13 hours. If we left it for 26 hours, so 13 plus 13 is 26. So this is 2 half-lives. How much is left over? We start off with 64. After the first 13 hours, it's going to get divided in half, so that comes down to 32. Another 13 hours, which is 26 hours, it's going to be 16 milligrams. And that's how we get B. And that's how you perform half-lives.